today I'm going to be showing you how you can make slime easily. Okay, so all you need is shampoo, and you need a body wash, and you need soap, okay guys? So yeah, let me go get all that supplies. Okay guys, I'm back. I got the supplies. It can also be a 2-in-1, so it can be this and this. And yeah, let me pour some into my hand. So I'm just going to try to prop my phone up right here. And I'm going to show you how. So, woohoo! And if you have Axe, it might be sparkly like this guy. So now you're going to want to put some soap. And then mix it in. And boom, you guys basically have slime now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. The heck? Is that a spider? There's a spider up in here. What the heck? I'm gonna eat it. Okay. Oh god, it's still recording. I just remembered. But anyways, here's another thing. Hope you didn't. Just to reverse that from your memory. Anyways, so if you heard that, don't hear it. Anyways, let me show you something. All you need to do, you can even wash it in the sink when you're done with it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, see you in the next video. Bye.